All right, family, what up, man? This is Sensei. Hey, today we're going to do just a little mic check test. You can see, hopefully you can see right here, I'm using my Zoom H4n. And this video is mostly for people who's vlogging. I'm trying new things to see what works best for me. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the media mod and my thoughts on the media mod and some of the other things that I feel are pluses and minuses, the pros and the cons of the media mod and the GoPros. All right, so first of all, I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen me ride off with my driveway, like my usual stuff with the driveway and the house in the background, right? And it feels good to be back on a motorcycle. It's not Beast. I know a lot of you guys are wondering where's Beast at. Let me adjust my audio right here real quick. I think this audio is probably on like a automatic setting. Let me get that situated real quick. Bring this up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. I'm adjusting the audio on here, and I'm seeing what it's going to do, and if it's going to pick up a whole lot of noise from the bike. So far, it looked like it's picking up a lot of noise, but it's okay. All right, let's ride a little bit. Simple ride, nothing big, nothing long. This video is not a long one. Like I said, this is just me doing a little test run. And if this goes well, I have a specific system that I'm going to buy that is made by the H4n family, right? So let's talk about the pros and the cons. First of all, we'll talk about the GoPros. Like everything else in technology, GoPros has some serious issues as far as, for me being somebody who really enjoys video, and my whole life is developed around videos. My whole business platform is based on videos. I don't use the GoPros for my real business. Specifically, I use the Sony a7 III for a lot of my fitness videos and stuff that I shoot for my audience, right? However, the GoPros are excellent for adventure stuff, motovlogging, excellent for keeping the camera hidden when you want to shoot things in a more discreet fashion. So the problems that I have with the GoPros is, number one, the battery life is very, very short. Even if you put it on battery save or anything like that, the battery life is very short. Number two, the camera will sometimes, I believe, it overheats and it does not record. It will literally completely stop recording. You will see it, you look at it and kind of notice that, wait a minute, that's weird. The numbers completely stop moving. Number three, there is no microphone input for the GoPro. And that's the thing I don't understand, why GoPro is not doing that. Why are they not putting the microphone input on it for people who are doing professional recording, motovlogging, and they know that a lot of people do that. And so now they came out with the GoPro 12 or 11. I forgot the name because right now I have the 10. So I believe it's the GoPro 11. It could be on 12 now, but I don't really keep up with a lot of that stuff. And then another thing that I had happen to me was the battery, and this is the original battery, swole up inside of it when I was in a lot of heat, and the battery was pretty much stuck, and I had to force it out with a needle nose plier. All right, so those are some of the cons of the GoPro. Now the pros of the GoPro to me is everything else. You have hyper smooth settings that you can make it really, really smooth and steady. I don't have it on this right now because I want to see the difference between the hyper smooth and when I put the settings to regular. I'm checking my audio. Remember, this is the audio check. This is a test. I'm recording to this thing right here. Okay. As far as the GoPro footage, the way it captures footage, I think it captures footage really well. It can balance out very well the plane. If wherever you are, it will level off. The color capturing, phenomenal. Love the color capturing. It's excellent for vlogging and motovlogging. So now let's talk about the media mod. Now the media mod to me works very, very, very well. I know there's another platform that they use for the GoPros. I bought it before. I forgot the name of it right now, but this is about the media mod. However, the media mod, the mic jack, the microphone jack, seems to go bad really, really fast. I'm on my second media mod, and I shot a video riding out to South Carolina. And that video, the microphone audio was messed up. And it happened to me when I went to Daytona. There's a lot of footage that I was not able to use in Daytona because the audio was crackling. And the media mod tends to mess up really, really fast. Another thing about the media mod is if you're trying to do like a quick battery swap, you can't do a quick battery swap because you have to unplug the whole thing. You got to take off this to get to the camera itself, take it out from the media mod and put it together, and then put it back in the media mod and plug it back up. So I'm hoping that these companies can start to utilize the request from us motovloggers and people who are vlogging to get something better and to create something that's a much more easier platform, even if the media mod do it. Now, there's a guy that I saw that he did some type of modifications and made it to where he could get access to everything pretty quickly with the media mod. But the media mod seems to go bad really quick because, as you know, it's a lot of wear and tear. It's a lot of issues that takes place. So right now, that's why I'm trying the Zoom field recorder to see how I feel about the audio. Now, when I'm looking at the meter, on the audio meter, I'm a little concerned about the audio meter because I'm noticing that the meter is picking up a lot of the background sounds, which I'm hoping that it can disqualify it or you know, cut it out in the background. So we'll see what this sounds like. The Zoom H4n is what's used by professional video or videographers and sound pros because the amperage inside of it is so amazing and it's on the money, right? Look at that view, man. Beautiful. That's why I love living in the country out here. Absolutely love it. So I'm curious to see what the audio is going to sound like. I can't wait to play the video and listen to it by myself and see if I like it or not. I'm pretty sure with a little bit of fine-tuning I'm going to like it. Now, there's a mini version of this product that I know that if I like how this setup works, then I'm going to use it. Now, here's the con to that. The con to that is that now you're adding one more media platform that you're going to have to synchronize your video to your audio, and that can be a little daunting if you're not, you know, good at editing and you just want to get straight audio, right? So that's going to give me the camera there, the camera here, and then the audio there that I'm going to have to, oh, look at that view, that I'm going to have to edit. All right. Now, if you're a motovlogger, let me know what setup you're using, because I know a lot of people's now using the 360, the Insta360. Some people's using the GoPro Max or the GoPro 360 that gives you all these angles. But, you know, very quickly, those type of footage get played out really fast. To me, it's a fad. I don't really, if you notice, a lot of people's not using that look anymore, right? It's kind of like when GoPro came out and they had the fish eye lens. It became a big thing, but then it died out, right? I don't necessarily care about capturing 3D angles. For me, that's just my personal opinion. What I do care about a lot is being able to utilize my product when I need to, and knowing that it's dependable. That's it. And to be able to capture the footage the way I want to capture the footage. And when I'm talking to you guys, I want to be able to speak and my audio comes out really clear without concern. Now, I'm using the Zero holder to hold this in place rather than my phone, which works out great. That worked out perfect. I got me a little rust right here too from that little rain. I got to spray some water in here, some WD-40 to get this rust out of this little screw. It's annoying the heck out of me. You see that rust right there? That's annoying. All right, so like I said, let me know the setup you guys are doing. And if you're thinking about motor vlogging, get it started. We need more people being involved in the motor world. When you guys are taking your rides, you're getting inspired by myself or GQ or Kelly B or Psychofanatics or Traveling Tall or Robert Simmons or my man Q from Riding and Wrenching, my man Trey. You know, if you get inspired from all these guys, you know, 2147 crew, we got what's that, Barber CVO, I think it's Barber CVO, I believe his name is. There's a lot of guys out here that's doing stuff. and I'm gonna be real with y'all. This might ruffle some feathers, but you know, for me, I don't care. I'm not liking the females, a lot of the females in the motorcycle set. And the reason why I'm not liking that, it's because now it's like all these girls are just showing their asses. I got a problem with that. You don't need to sell sex. Just ride your damn bike. I don't need to see your sloppy ass in bathing suits and freaking tight ass jeans and all this shit. I don't need to see that. That pisses me off, as a matter of fact. That's just my personal opinion. Because you know what? In the fitness industry, I see enough of that bullcrap. The fitness industry is the same damn thing. All I see in the fitness industry is these damn girls that feel like they gotta sell sex to get subscribers and get followers, and then they begin to feel like they are so important. Look at me, I'm so important. No, you're not. No, you're not. Don't do it. And then there's a couple of females that I used to respect that I'm seeing now that they're now doing a little test run and trying to play around with the sexuality to see what they can do to gain subscribers. My thing is like this, right? Gain the subscribers organically. Let people get to respect you for who you are. Understand you for who you are. My thing is, I don't like all the unnecessaries. Honestly, I really don't. And if you're one of those people watching this video right now, you need to stop that crap. Honestly, stop it, man, because yo, a lot of y'all got kids, a lot of y'all got y'all husbands, a lot of y'all got y'all families, and you out there flaunting yourself like you're being pimped the hell out. So we need to put that to an end. And if I'm with you, if you guys understand what I'm saying, leave it in the comments. I mean, like I said, I know to each his own, and it is, and I respect that. But honestly, I unfollowed every single female that does that crap. Every single female that does it. There's a few females that I watch that I absolutely freaking love. One of my favorite females, if you don't know who she is the Yogi Harley chick, and I believe I'm saying it right. Yogi Harley chick. She is awesome. Queen Sit is awesome. I seen only one video where she was wearing this bodysuit. No, it's like a jumper set, and she was trying to show a little bit of boobs, but that's okay. She quickly realized, hey, you know what, not for me. And I've seen a video with her in a bathing suit, but it just felt more natural. It didn't feel like she was trying to sell sex. You know what I'm saying? Also, my mind completely is blanking out from a lot of these other writers who are true writers, and they are not about all the unnecessary crap, okay? So anyway, I know this video was about the testing of the audio and the pros and the cons of the GoPro and then all the other stuff. But that's the point. I'm testing my audio as I'm talking. All right. Now, let me get a little speed on this, and I'm going to see if I'm moving at 60 miles an hour, how do I sound at a higher rev? Because I can see my meter is off the charts right now. That means that it's picking up too much of the sound. So right now I'm at 60 miles an hour. I'm in the country, guys, so I'm chilling. Yeah, 60 miles an hour. I'm gonna maintain 60, and I'm gonna go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right. Yeah, I can tell that peaked, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Maybe it picked up pretty good. But I'm looking at the meter right here. There's a meter that's giving me the readings, so I don't know if I'm peaking or not. If I'm peaking up too high, let me come down. Let me cut down really slow. Cut this down really slow. All right, so I'm just cruising down. I have the clutch pulled in, and I'm still getting that spike on the media. All right, but so far so good. It's showing that it's picking up my audio pretty strong. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I'm about to make this U-turn. Like I said, this video was the testing for my audio. If I like the way it comes out, then boom, I will share the setup with you guys when I purchase the other portion that I'm going to get, and I'm going to show you guys how to get good audio. Once again, if it's good audio. If it's bad audio, then I'll still share it, and let you know what I'm planning to do and to try new things. But this is what it's about. You got to try stuff and see what works for you, and know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. All right, so guys, don't forget, leave the comments, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Talk about a whole lot of things here in this Ride Fit Nation program. We need to start getting some rides together, some meetups. It doesn't have to be far. I don't care about these long rides all the time. If you live in ATL, link up with me, let me know what's up. Email me at ridefitnation@gmail.com. Join the group me chat. If you got some rides coming up, post it up in the group me chat. You know what I'm saying? Let us know so we can link up as well. All right, this is a family effort, baby. This is what it's about. All right, let's get these miles, let's get this money, and let's get this muscle. And at the end of the day, most of y'all is neglecting your muscle. A lot of y'all want to get that money, all right, and you're getting those miles, but you ain't getting those muscles. But I know one thing I need to get is some wipers to clean this damn thing off. That's what I need to get. All right, so guys, love y'all, man. Let's keep this thing grinding. All right, peace. I'm out.